Hi, welcome to Versova World. Let's make paper cars of armored vehicles. What you are seeing now is called stop motion photography. There is neither any magnet nor any machinery fitted inside the paper car. I have taken a series of photos. For every photo, I have shifted the position of the vehicles around 2 or 3 mm. And when I run the photos at the rate of 8 to 10 photos per second, we get the impression that the vehicles are moving. I have already made one of the armored cars. There are many armored cars with different paint jobs are available on the internet. But this is my favorite. I like mini cars and they look cute also. So I have taken printouts of 4 cars on a single A4 size paper. Out of all these beautiful cars, I am going to make just one. The others are just a repetitive steps because they are the same model but with different paint jobs. To make this beautiful model, we will require a steel ruler, an empty or dried up ballpoint pen, paper cutting knife, glue and a forceps. First we will score out all the fold lines so that it will be easy for us to give folds. Scoring is a very important step because when we score all the lines, it becomes very easy to fold it. Because when we will bend the paper will fold along the fold lines and that too neatly also. Now we will cut all the outlines. A piece of advice: whenever we are using a paper cutting knife, we have to be very careful because the blades are very sharp. We have to take special care when children are around because if they get hold of it, they might injure themselves or someone else. Whenever we are not using the paper cutting knife, we have to slide its blade into its protective sheath. These paper cars look great as a decorative piece also, and they are also very easy to make. We can display it in our showcases or we can even give it as a gift. Congratulations! Our paper car model is ready for display. We can place a magnet below the car and use it on a magno rail. Since I do not own any magno rail, hence I have used the technique of stop motion photography to create the impression that the vehicles are moving. Hope this has inspired you into making one yourself. Be inspired and be creative. I will be uploading more videos and photos of these paper cars. And as for always, thanks for watching with interest and patience.